Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tutor. Today in this video, I'm going to show on how to change color of text on CapCut using your mobile device. So let's get started. First, open your CapCut app on your mobile device. Choose a project that you're working on. After that, tap text icon at the bottom. Then choose a text that you want to change the color. Tap the style icon, then tap styles. Here you can see the different colors. Just tap the color that you want. For example, color black. Then we have here the color yellow. Then color blue. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please do follow, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.